Good morning, everyone. So I've been up since 7:30. Josh had the windows open last night in our room and it was freezing. Like, I literally woke up so many times because I was so dang cold. But I never went to go close the windows because I was too cold to get up. And then of course, like, all night I kept on worrying that Maddie was cold, so I kept on, like, she has her like really big soft blanket, so I kept wrapping her back into it. And what else did I do? So I kept wrapping her into it, and then I would put my blanket over her, and then also I was cuddling her because I was cold, and I was like, I don't want her to be cold. It was this big thing. Yeah, right now I'm just gonna relax. My friend Abby's gonna be coming over for coffee and breakfast, so yeah, I'm gonna try to get some stuff done before she comes on over. Yeah, my warm blanket, my candle, and my cup of coffee. I'm gonna repaint this weekend black, and this is the area rug I got, and I think it looks okay. I can't decide if I like it or not. I think if the couches were turned around better, then I would probably love it. But yeah, now I just need to work on getting like decor for the walls behind me on this wall. I want to put canvases like of me, Josh, and Maddie, like family pictures, but first we have to get those done, and then obviously I can buy some canvases of us. But yeah, I'm just hanging out. Maddie's sleeping. Thank you, because she usually like gets up right when I get up, which sucks because I don't have time to myself to just hang out and relax. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pay some bills. So yeah, I'll see you guys after. I have to leave right now, like in 5 minutes. I feel very tired. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and head out.
Did you see Joe? Come in. I need to outside.
Yeah. That's what's going on today. My room's so dirty. I gotta clean it when I get back. I got my nails done, but I'm gonna change the color because this reminds me of like a dark red instead of like the color I was going for. I'll show you guys the color I was going for. Let's see. Okay, so I was going for this color, and this is the color I got. It's like a blood red. I was just like, this looks red, but she like didn't even care. So I'm gonna go back again and hopefully get this color, like exactly like this, without the little like sparkles and stuff. As you can see, I did do a different shape too. I just decided to try coffin again, and I actually kind of like it. It makes my nails worth getting done because usually I get them so short that I'm just like, why did I do this? Yeah, this is what it looks like. And then I'm also gonna get my eyebrows waxed. Oh, my nose itches. And then I also got my toes done. I just got them regular white tip. I like getting white tip because when they grow out, you can't tell like the nail polish separating. I'm in a little bit of a dilemma right now. I'm trying to decide if I want to get my the Canon G7X Mark III. What the heck? Yeah, I'm just trying to see if I want to get the Canon G7X Mark III because, as you can tell, this camera is so huge to carry around. I like it a lot, but honestly, like, that's the one thing I don't like is how heavy it is to carry around. So I'm debating on getting the Canon G7X Mark III. Just because then I could vlog with it in public and get more use out of it. I'm obviously still going to keep this one because I know if I sell this one, I'm going to miss this one and rebuy it again. I just don't want to go through all that. So yeah, that's what I'm planning on doing. Yeah. And the cool thing about this camera too is like I could change out the lenses if I wanted to. But yeah, so hopefully, I don't know, I need to make a decision by today if I get it. And then, yeah. I do have my Canon Rebel T6, which I love so very much. Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to my vlog channel. Maddie wants to say hi. I'm trying to like say hi. But Maddie, you know how to talk. Welcome back to our vlog, though. Say hi. Hi. Okay, Maddie wants to.
Hi, Bucky.
Here. There you go. So, I think I'm gonna do my makeup again today because I'm feeling extra cool.
Guys, come here now. Come here.
Here you go. Show them.
Come here. Come here, guys. Come here.
Hold on, baby. So this is my comfy outfit I'm wearing today. So this is my comfy outfit. I'm just wearing this sweater from Target. Leggings are Target. My Ugg slippers because, well, moccasins, because it's cold as crap in here, like so cold. So yeah, I really can't wait for my Canon G7X to come in because I really need something lighter to carry around. So yeah, I can't wait for that to come in because I need something lighter to carry around so I could vlog outside of my house more versus carrying this camera around. This is so massive. But yeah, so that's what's going on right now. I did film a very long story time video yesterday, like an hour long, so I need to edit that, but you guys really want to see a what's in my Neverfull, so I'm gonna film another one. Yeah, so I don't know, I really want to film one, but I'm just like, I don't know. I like doing what's in my purses, but I feel like I've done so many on this bag. But I mean, if you guys want to see it, I'll do it. But yeah, welcome. I am so tired. So I was gonna go ahead and just, oh God, I hate myself. I was just gonna go ahead and just do my makeup and stuff because my hair's straightened. But to be quite honest, it's, I don't know how many days old is this hair. What is today? Monday. Straightened it Saturday. I don't know. I think I just want to, I don't know what I want to do with my hair. Maybe I'll have my hair curly today. I don't know. I need to stop. Let's start this, okay? Starting today, I'm not going to straighten my hair for a whole month, depending on how my hair comes out when I get out of the shower. So let's do that. I'm gonna blow dry it, use a diffuser, all that good stuff, and not try to straighten it for a month, because my hair is like starting to get dead again, and I've paid a lot of money and I've kept up with it a lot in order for it not to get this way. So since I haven't had that much money to go to the hair salon anymore, I've just been straightening it because I've been bored with it. Like, look how outgrown my hair is. Holy moly. I'm not going to get my hair re-highlighted or anything until next summer. I'm just going to let my hair grow out naturally. Let my natural colors come in, which it's just like a brown. It used to be like a dirty blonde like Maddie's, but my hair is just like a brown. So, yeah. I'm going to go take a shower, get ready for the day, do something with myself. So yeah, let's go do that. Okay, I just got done editing this story time video. It was about 40 minutes long. It was such a pain to edit because it was so dang long, and I was like, oh my god. I feel like it was very entertaining though, so I hope you guys like it. I feel like it was a good story time. It was the truth. Everything was the truth in it. And honestly, I hope somebody from Stevenson like comes across this video, at least somebody higher up that is in HR, so they can, you know, investigate it maybe, because that, I feel like I could sue the company over that. Like, they were just an awful company. But yeah, it was a horrible place to work, and I would never work there again. Yeah, so I'm gonna get ready. God, it's so dang cold, man. I'm freezing. I'm so cold. I need to eat though. I haven't eaten all day and I'm starting to feel really nauseous and sick. But yeah, so I'm waiting for this to upload. I'm probably gonna head out right now, go to my parents. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. So, I decided I'm gonna tackle this pantry today. I'm not excited about it, but it's crazy and it's been driving me insane for weeks. Plus, we're having guests come over and I don't want them to see this disgusting pantry. Yeah, hold on. So I'm gonna organize this, so
Hey guys!
wait and see.
Hey.
Okay guys, here's the reveal. This is how the pantry looks after. I tried to organize it as much as I could. I do have to get more like containers. I think I might get rid of these brass ones just because they poke holes in a lot of the things. And look at what it does. It like scratches. So yeah, there's all the cans. This is everything we got going on. This is like real life pantry organization. I feel like some people organize their pantry just for an aesthetic and not actually have the food they need in there. But yeah, this is everything. There's nothing in those because I don't know what I'm going to put in there, Matt. I don't like putting anything in those because I forget what's even in there. So yeah, all of this. Nothing on these shelves. Mop the floor. Looks so good. Alrighty, so we just got done watching a scary movie. We ate our dinner and all that good stuff. Now we're gonna go to bed. It's 8 p.m. So it's pretty late. Like, it's not late, but I'm already tired. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep now.
No, you're not going to sleep yet.
Mm-hmm.
No, you're not. We're going to sleep yet.
Yeah, we are.
No, you're not.
Oh, bro.
We're not going to sleep.
But yeah, so I'm tired. I don't know why, but I'm going to sleep like super early lately. I just get tired so much more easier. Maddie, stop it. Alright guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's short vlog. I'll see you next time. Bye.